In this video, I will show you how to use text effects in iMessage on iPhone. In iOS 18, we can easily use text effects for iMessage. So make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18. So as you can see, I've already using iOS 18. And now I'm going to opening my message app and opening a conversation. And here, let's type something here, for example. And now to add text effects into this message, just tap on this AA icon here. And here we can see a bunch of different text effect. So you can select, first of all, select your text and tap on this A icon. And now from here, you will be able to select any text effects. So select one by one and see the live preview of the effect. Once you're happy with any of them effect, just tap on send and the iMessage will be sent with the effect. So that's how we can use text effects in iMessage on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.